Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw Peppa Pig and his brother. So let's start. First, draw a big curve, like this. Then draw a curved line and draw an oval shape. Draw it like a whistle. Well done, it's looking very great. Now let's draw its ears. Draw some oval shape, and it's done. Now draw Peppa Pig eye. Draw a slaw circle, and make a black dot inside it. Now draw the other eye also. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's draw Peppa Pig body. Draw two big curved lines on side like this. Connect the both lines with a horizontal line. Now let's draw its legs. First, draw a thick line. Make it thicker and draw the shoes. Good job, Elle. Now draw the other leg also. Now let's draw Peppa Pig hands. Draw a curved line and draw it fingers. Well done, now draw the other hand also. Do the same thing, and it's done. Don't forget to draw Peppa Pig tail. Draw a spring-like shape. Look, we complete Peppa Pig drawing. Now let's draw Peppa Pig brother. Do you know what Peppa Pig brother name? His name is George. Draw the same as Peppa Pig, but draw it to the other way. Draw the ears and draw the eyes. Do the same thing as Peppa Pig. Draw a slaw circle and make a black dot inside it. Just draw like me, and it will look very beautiful. Don't forget to draw a cute and happy smile. To draw George's body, draw a big curve like a round shape. Now draw the hands. Draw a line and make some fingers. Do the same thing and draw the other hand also. Lastly, draw the leg. Draw a line and make the shoes. Do the same thing and draw the other leg also. Just draw like me, and it will look very beautiful. Don't forget to draw George's tail. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use light pink color on Peppa Pig face. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. First color the nose, and it will look good. Now color on the face. Color very carefully and slowly. Don't color on the eyes. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, color on the ears. Look, it's looking very beautiful. Now use dark pink color on Peppa Pig nose. Draw 2 circles to make the nostrils. Now draw a big circle on Peppa Pig face. Now use light red color on Peppa Pig clothes. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now let's color on George. Use light pink color and color the face. Color the nose, and it will look good. Color the outline of face and slowly fill the color. Make sure not to make any mistake. Lastly, color on George's ears. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now use dark pink color on nose. Also draw a big circle on the face. Now use blue color on its body. Color the outline and slowly fill the color. Just draw like me, and it will look very beautiful. Look, we complete the drawing. Peppa Pig and his brother look very beautiful. You know what? I like to watch Peppa Pig cartoon. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.